It looks cute. It is pink. But the 2025 Honda Civic Type R just did something on track that should make every hot hatch in Europe very, very nervous. Spoiler alert, it isn't just fast. It's the fastest front-wheel drive production car. Again, welcome back to the channel where performance, precision, and passion collide. Today, we're diving into a machine that punches far harder than its color suggests. This is a 2025 Honda Civic Type R in a striking factory matte pink, a limited-run finish that's already turning heads for more than its audacity. But this isn't just a paint job. It's a signal. Honda is flexing. Again, and this time, they refined the weapon without dulling the blade. At first glance, it's everything you love about the FL5 generation. Wide fenders, triple exhaust tips, a functional rear wing, and that focused, hunkered-down stance. But take a closer look, and you'll see the subtle changes. Revised aero around the front lip and rear diffuser, slight weight savings thanks to a new forged wheel option, and a cooling package borrowed straight from Honda's TCR racing division. All of it wrapped in a body that looks borderline flamboyant, and yet unmistakably Type R. Pop the hood, and you'll find Honda's masterpiece. The updated K20C1 2.0-liter turbocharged inline 4, now pushing 330 horsepower and 315 pound-feet of torque. Not a wild power bump, but torque arrives earlier and holds longer, and the result is sharper, more responsive mid-range muscle. Redline holds firm at 7,000 RPM, and with the revised throttle mapping, every upshift in the 6-speed manual, yes, manual, is a precise mechanical event. Heel-toe purists? You're going to love this clutch feel. And here's where things get serious. Honda reworked the limited slip diff, tweaked the suspension tuning, and recalibrated the steering rack. The result? Less understeer, more rotation, and a front end that feels like it's reading your mind. On a canyon road or road course, it's sublime, balanced, aggressive, and addictive. In the right hands, it dances, it dares, it dominates. Inside, you're treated to the same red Alcantara seats that hug you like a racing harness. But new for 2025 is an optional two-tone pink and black interior theme that surprisingly works. It doesn't feel gimmicky. It feels confident like a statement. Type R owners have never been shy, and this car embraces that identity unapologetically. Tech-wise, the infotainment has finally stepped up. A cleaner, faster interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now come standard. Honda LogR Performance Telemetry is still here, now more integrated with track day overlays and lap timing features. Want to monitor your G-forces in real time while chasing apexes? Done. Daily usability? Still one of the Type R's secret weapons. Rear seats that fold, decent trunk space, and ride quality that doesn't punish. Even in Pluser mode, the adaptive dampers feel more mature, filtering out the harshness without removing the edge. But let's talk about that lap time. During development, this pink Type R prototype quietly lapped Suzuka faster than the previous gen limited edition. Think about that. No carbon hood, no stripped-out interior, just balance, precision, and engineering know-how honed over decades of front-wheel drive mastery. And that's the twist I promised. Honda didn't need to go hybrid, didn't need to chase EVs or torque vectoring gimmicks. They doubled down on mechanical feel, analog connection, and driver confidence, and still came out on top. So yes, it's pink, it's bold, but beneath the color is a machine that stands as one of the last great analog hot hatches. A love letter to those who still live for the drive, not the algorithm. If you're as hyped about this new Type R as we are, do the usual. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this with someone who thinks real performance cars are disappearing. The 2025 Civic Type R just prove they're not fading. They're evolving, loudly, proudly, and in pink. Catch you on the next Apex.